How to use Zapier with Shopify. Struggling with repetitive tasks in your Shopify store? Zapier can automate them. This video shows you how to get started in under 90 seconds. First, head to Zapier.com and log into your account. In the search bar, type Shopify and hit enter. You'll see Shopify as a trigger app and several action apps. Click on the big orange Make a Zap button to get started. Now tell Zapier what event in Shopify should trigger your automation. You have many options like new order, abandoned cart, or new customer. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Next, tell Zapier what you want to do with after Shopify trigger event occurs. Search for the app you want to connect to like Gmail, Slack, or Google Sheets. Choose the specific action you want to perform, like sending an email notification, adding an order to a spreadsheet, or creating a task in your project management tool. Depending on your chosen action, Zapier might ask you to map data fields from Shopify to the other app. This ensures relevant information gets transferred correctly. Once everything's set up, review your Zap and give it a name. Then the magic happens. Toggle the switch to turn on your Zap. And that's it. You've created a Zap that automates tasks between Shopify and another app using Zapier. Save yourself time and effort. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Zapier and Shopify tips.